Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you favorite drinks and food and recipe for you to prepare at home. But basically today we give you a simple recipe, the Jamaican flag, which we use to celebrate Jamaican Independent Day drinks. But today we use mango, spinach and blackberry to make the drink. So hopefully you will like it and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. It's very important for me and the team. We're working very hard for a recipe. Thank you so much and see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo. Bye-bye. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen so far. Today we want to make you the Jamaican flag color for Jamaican Independent Day. So basically I'm going to give you some of my ingredients which I have right here, which I'm going to show you how to make that drinks at home. But you don't need to make it my way, you can make it your way. But is the ingredients what's going to make the difference. First of all, this is some mango, where you basically can go to any local shop, supermarket and get a mango and peel it, remove the skin and cut it up very small like this. Second thing is this is some blackberry, which I'm going to be using for the black of the Jamaican color. I'm going to use some spinach for the green part and the mango also for the yellow part. So it's red. It's black, yellow and green color Jamaican flag. I'm going to use a little bit of honey inside of it also. So basically we're going to go into business and we're going to show you how you can make this nice lovely Jamaican Independent Day drink. So first thing what we're going to do is get our smoothie blender and we're going to blend the mango. That's the first thing which we're going to do. That's the mango. We're going to put one piece of ice inside of it, a little bit of honey. You can put lemon if you like, and a pinch of water, not too much, just a little pinch, roughly and a teaspoon of water. Then basically we're going to blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. All right, nice and lovely. So that's finished. So basically remove this. And we're gonna pour it straight inside of this glass. I'm using a big glass because I want you guys to see. So we're gonna pour it in like this. After you pour it in, make it set for a second. The next thing what we're gonna do, I'm gonna rinse out my smoothie blender. Just shake it out with a little bit of water. Lovely. After you shake it out, get this nice lovely blackberry. Pour it straight inside of your smoothie blender, just like this. This is the black represent for Jamaica. Just put a little bit of honey, just to bring up a little bit of sweetness to it. You don't need to put any ice or any water in this. This is fine. Blend this about 2 seconds. Nice and lovely. So basically that's finished. What you need to do is to pour it in a one separate glass like this. After you pour it out, rinse out your blender, your smoothie blender for the spinach. After you rinse it out, then one piece of ice and a large handful of spinach inside of it. After you put in that ice, a little bit of honey, pinch of water, not too much, then cover it and blend this for roughly about 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, it depends on the kind of smoothie blender you got at home. Nice, so that's finished blend. Now we're gonna show you how to do your Jamaican independent flag, all right? Nice. So I finished blend it. So basically what you're gonna do now is get that nice, lovely green smoothie. Spinach you should just blend. So you're gonna pour the spinach on top of it like this, just to get that nice, lovely. Don't wanna get that ice in it. One. Then after you get that, the next thing what you're gonna get is the blackberry. Lovely. But basically, as you can see, it is 2 different color right there. But what we're gonna do now is simple blend up a little bit more of the blackberry. Nice and lovely. So I just blend up a little bit more of the blackberry to pour on top of it like this, because I might be gonna need a little bit more, so I'm gonna blend a little bit more of the blackberry. Nice one. Yeah. Then let's finish, put it on top of it. But as you can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with the Jamaican flag color. Basically, you have to be careful with the spinach, because what happened now, the spinach should be being remiggled, but spinach is very easy to spin, very easy to be split, so you have to be careful with spinach. But this is exactly what I'm talking about. But guys, as you can see, it still work out, still looking good. But this is the volume 1. Look out for the volume 2, which is gonna come out very, very soon. Serve it with a nice piece of a lemon, and that's the Jamaican flag right there which we're talking about. So hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments and subscribe. As I said, we got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Jamaican flag color with the black on top of it. Really nice. Could be a little bit better, but you know, yeah, because the spinach is very easy to split. So basically, because spinach is nice and, you know, I mean, is more healthy, good for you, could use broccoli if you like, or something green, whatever you like. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments, and see you next time. This is some Chef Ricardo on the team. Bye bye.